Hello and welcome back to EduDose, your dose of pharmacy insights. Today, I'm going to decode a critical part of drug regulation, the 5 key drug applications every pharmacy or life sciences student should know. We'll break down IND, NDA, ANDA, sNDA, and BLA. And yes, I'll keep it real with case studies that matter. First up, IND, Investigational New Drug application. What exactly is IND? Whenever a company or researcher wants to start human trials on a new drug, they need to submit an IND to the regulatory authority. This includes preclinical data, how the clinical trial will be run, and who's running it. Think Remdesivir. Before it made headlines as a COVID-19 treatment, Gilead had to submit an IND to run clinical trials in infected patients. The pandemic meant this process was super fast-tracked. So remember, IND is the very first step to study a drug in humans. Next, NDA New Drug application. If clinical trials go well, the sponsor files an NDA to actually get marketing approval. They need to show the drug is safe, effective, and consistently manufacturable. Take Ibrutinib, or Imbruvica for example. Pharmacyclics submitted an NDA after strong clinical results in leukemia patients. Following a deep FDA review, it got approved for CLL and mantle cell lymphoma. Bottom line, the NDA is your passport to the market for any new drug. Moving on to ANDA, Abbreviated New Drug application. This is how generics enter the market. No full clinical trials needed, just proof that your drug is bioequivalent to the original. When Lipitor's patent expired, companies like Ranbaxy and Teva filed ANDAs proved bioequivalence, and boom, generic Atorvastatin hit the shelves. Key takeaway: ANDA brings affordable generics to patients. Now, sNDA Supplemental New Drug application. If you want to make changes to an already approved drug like new uses or dosage forms, you need an sNDA. Look at Sildenafil, you know it as Viagra. Pfizer later filed an sNDA to add pulmonary hypertension as a new indication, rebranding it as Revatio. Fresh clinical data, new markets unlocked. So sNDA is the tool for keeping approved drugs up to date. Last but not least, BLA Biologics License application. Biologics, vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, gene therapies all need a BLA. It's similar to an NDA but for complex biological products. For instance, after emergency use authorization, Pfizer submitted a BLA for its COVID-19 vaccine with massive safety and effectiveness data across populations. So BLA is crucial for full approval of biologics. Let's recap. IND gets clinical trials started. NDA gets new drugs to market. ANDA brings generics to patients. sNDA updates approved drugs. BLA gives the green light to biologics. Understanding these applications gives you a real edge in pharmacy practice, drug development, and regulatory affairs. Whether you want to work in R&D, clinical trials, or the pharma industry, this is must-know stuff. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduDose. And hit the bell icon for more simplified pharma science videos.
Video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.